earlier one morning. Good morning, Dogman. I'm fixing my robot ADHD. Dogman, it's me, Chief. You're late again. Get to work now. Hello there. Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm Mr. Suspicion Flame, the world's greatest babysitter. Here's my card and my impressive list of friends. I specialize in cat sitting, and I can start today. Bye, Dogman. Have fun at work. Well, hello there, young man. Hi, Papa. I am not your papa. Yes, you are. I'm a professional governess. I got British accent and everything. I sing songs about how much fun it is cleaning up your room and stuff. Okay, prove it. Sing me a song. Okay, I will. Such a spoonful of high fructose corn syrup. Please give the medicine. Possible side effects we may include nausea, headache, dry mouth, and runny nose, and diarrhea. Look. Can you hand me the vice grip? Yeah, here you go. Thanks. What you doing? I'm fixing ADHD. Did you add the solar panels? Yeah. Wow, you can't even see them. Interesting. Thanks. Hey, where are all the missiles? I took them out. Why? ADHD is my friend. He doesn't need missiles. ADHD is not your friend. Yes, he is. Here, I'll show you. Flip yourself over, ADHD. See? He's just obeying you. I programmed him to do that. Obedience doesn't equal friendship. He's not my friend. No, he's not. First you remove his missiles. Then you gave him solar panels. Now, how does he get him power at night? He doesn't. He sleeps at night just like me. That does it. You and I have to talk. No, we don't. Yes, we do. 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 No, we won't. No, we don't. Look, I'll buy you some ice cream. Okay, let's go. Meanwhile, Dogman should be here any minute. Is he always this late? Yeah, but well, he's a maverick. He plays by his own rules, but he gets the job done. He's the thinking man to run 10-10. He's tough, he's serious. No! Cut it out, get up, quit, stop, bad doggy. Why? Why do we have to go through this every day? Oh yeah, Dogman, this is Sam Hamlin. He's a big time writer. He's gonna make a movie about you. That's right, it's a true story of a hero. It's got depth, interest, and passion. Wow, just like our stories, right, Dogman? Hey, give me that poster. Give it. He always does this. Here you go. No, I can't work with him. He's an idiot. But he's the best tip we got. Okay, I'll give him one more chance. This is Yola Caprice. He's the world's greatest actress. Hey! Don't do it. Don't do it. Good doggy. Hello. Yole. Yole, this is Chef. Hello, doll. And you must be Dogman. Yeah, but he's a bum. He eats everything and he's always late. I dropped my book. And I switched the pages. My bad. his heart is good. No. Hello, handsome. I have a job for you, but you shall be my bodyguard. But and I shall reward you. But with tummy wraps. Okay, let's go make a movie. But oh boy, this is gonna be great. Dom is gonna be a famous bodyguard. And I bet he won't make any mistakes this time. Ain't that right, Dogman? Ice cream, here we come. Hey, where you think you're going? He's coming with us. Sorry, kid. Make him stay here. But why? Just make him stay here or no ice cream. Wait here for me, ADHD. 10 minutes later. Here you go, kid. Thank you. How's the ice cream? Good. I'm sorry I had to trick you with this disguise. You didn't trick me? Alright, smarty pants. Go ahead and be me. You don't understand how I suffer. The cops are looking everywhere for me. They're gonna put me back in jail and throw away the key. I got nowhere to hide and nobody to help me. I'm all alone. I'll help you, Papa. Do you promise? Yeah. Great. I'm gonna move in with you guys. And can we continue evil training? But I don't want to be evil, Papa. Would you stop calling me Papa? I am not your Papa. You're my clone. That doesn't mean you're the same. I'm evil, so you have to be evil too. You don't have any choice in the matter. I just want to be perfect like Dogman. Dogman isn't perfect. He's a goody-goody milquetoast gumdrop. He never breaks any laws. He never has any fun. I don't want to break any laws either. But you just did break a law. I did? Yep. I'm an escape convict and you promised to help me. This is called harboring infidelity. That's against the law. It is? Yep, it's a felony. And look at the sidewalk. You drip ice cream all over it. That's littering. You're a monster. And now you're jaywalking. Boy, you really are evil. Maybe I should have taken lessons for you. Give yourself to the dark side. It's your destiny. My son. Hi, I'm Sarah Halla for the world's greatest reporter. Today's the day of shooting for the new Dogman movie, and the crowds are bursting with excitement. Let's meet some of the fans. Oh look, it's Lil Petey. Hi Sarah. Hi Zuzu. You must be the nanny. Are you excited about the Dogman movie? Dogman movie? That's the dumbest movie I've ever heard. Grrr. Be nice, Zuzu. Yeah, be nice, Zuzu. Oh look, here comes the star. Wow, it's an interesting ding dong magoo. I'll be playing Dogman. Dogman doesn't have muscles. Next is Yole. Caprice should be playing me. Hooray for Italy. But I am an Australian. Here comes Sanderson and J.J. Johnson as chef. Enough is enough. I have had it with this doggone and actors in the doggone limo. And finally, it's coming. It's going to make ribs. Hi, dummies. I'll be playing PDK. The other guy doesn't look anything like me. Like Petey. And now, let's enter the studio and go behind the scenes. Whoa, look at all this stuff. These miniature buildings are so realistic. Ooh, and what are these? These are the robotic hot dogs for the big action and scene and Act 3. And check out our super awesomest thing. It's Pilly, the gyro. It's Pilly, the gyro. Nah, he's another robot he built. I control them with all this complete remote. Gee, that seems like it could be dangerous if the remote fell into the wrong hands. Oh, that would never happen. I guard this baby with my life. Lunch break! Hey, look! Out! Well, come on, darling. It's time to go. Bye-bye. Zeus isn't happening. Are we going home? No, wait. We're gonna have some fun. Rats, the door is locked. Hey, go through the pet flap and unlock the door. Gee, I don't know. Do it for fun. Yeah, but do it for adventure. I know, but do it for Papa. Wow, look at all this stuff. Finally, I can get off these high heels and dump this old lady's eyes and start dressing like my true self. Oh, that really is Petey. A filthy, rotten, low down, good for nothing. The love blue. Wait, it's blurry. Come on. Don't be blurry anymore. Hold on. There we go. Confessible, despicable, loathsome, despicable. A genius super villain. And now it's your turn. We should start with a mask, then add the cape, and finish with Rector Steel Claws. Dude, we are totally rocking these bad guys costume. This is just for Nintendo, right? Sure, kid. It's all just make believe. Enough is enough. I've had it with these doggone crimes in this gun city. Give me Dogman. Here I come, Chef. I'm ready to roll. Whoa! Cut! Hey! You're supposed to be guarding Yellow Caprice, not sleeping on the set. You made Ding Dong Magoo trip and fall down. Yeah. You owe me an apology. Yes. He looked inside of my mouth. I have had it with these doggone dog-headed cops in this doggone Dogman movie. Dogman, you're fired. What's going on? Dogman has been messing up this movie all day. First, he wrecked over a big romance scene. Dogman, I think I'm falling in. Cut! Wait, oh my gosh. I just stuffed in something. Cut! Then he ruined a big traumatic scene. Don't you die on me. Don't you die on me. Pete, you who cut the cheese, who sneak on one cheek squeak, who popped the fluffy, who pinched the steak money, who blew the brown burgle, who let the beans out, who tooted their trooper's comfort, who got gravy pants, who's cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, who ain't brushed their bubbers, who sneezed out the wrong end. Cut! And then he ruined Petey's big scene. I shall destroy Hey! Get me off. You've been a bad doggy. Go home, Dogman. But Sam, sorry you're late. We have too many problems. And one more bad thing happens, I'll have to shut this whole movie down. Interesting. Huh? Uh-oh. He's gonna jump at me. He's gonna look at my face. I can't take it. Stay on me. Hey! He's over here, just hiding behind that plane again. What did you do this time? Were you a bad doggy again? Leave him alone. Everybody makes mistakes. I don't know what happened, Dogman, but everything will be okay. Go home and get some rest. Tomorrow's another day. But then, wait here for me, AD. Wait here for me, AD. He don't know. Oh, hi, Dogman. How's it going? Woo! Oh, no. Is little Petey missing again? We just saw him. He was with his nanny. But what's wrong? Tell me. Okay, one word. First syllable. You have to pee. Second syllable. Are you drinking something? Coffee? Tea? First syllable P. And the second syllable is T. P-T. P-T. Petey? Are you telling me that Petey's got something as a nanny? Yeah, I just saw it. And that he had mistakenly hired to babysit little Petey. At this very moment, he may be planning something evil. A planning act of corrupted material fabric of society. Even while speak little Petey must draw into his fullness, causing him to doubt his own nature and continuing down the dark any towards a lifetime. This sort of criminality? Is that what you're saying? Let's go save the world. I have to do something quick. This is where we just saw them. But look at the sun. Okay, Dogman, we're gonna find Chef. You must find another way to get inside. Hey! So you should dig a tunnel into the studio. Look like you pop on in the wrong spot. What an idiot. You're coming with me. Hey, come back here. When I get my hands on you, you're gonna wish you was never born. Come on and show you your face, you filthy animal. Y'all mangy mutt. Y'all dumb jerk. Y'all dirty old cheap feed bag. Y'all good fake crossing guard. Y'all cheese face water buffalo. Y'all goofy eyed dick sticker doodle. Whoa! Hey! If I see that little dog head of the cup again, there's gonna be big trouble. There's something happening in that. A bunch of it. I finally figured out a plan to shut down this movie now. Come on, kid. Don't call me kid. Call me Cat Kid. Why? It's my superhero name. We're not superheroes. We're super villains. We're the bad guys, remember? Oh, yeah. The pretend bad guys, right? Come on, Cathead. Yeah. What you doing, Papa? I'm setting a trap. Why? So we can capture your Caprice in this lasso. Why? So we can kidnap her. Why? If they don't have a star, they can't finish the movie. Why? Stop asking dumb questions. Why? Okay, people, we're about to shoot a big action scene. Are the many mature schools in place? Yes, sir. Is the Dogman mobile gassed up? Yepper. Are the robotic hot dogs ready? Let's control. You what? I just set it down a long time and now it's gone. Oh, that's terrible. You lost the controller? How could things get any worse? Well, it took forever, but I finally get out of that hole. And here I bow and now to get my sweet revenge on the crazy dog and the cop. Hey! Meanwhile, the robot controls the Dogman mobile is missing. And there's a hole in the side of my studio. How could things get any worse? Oh, Sam. Hey! Yo, lady. What's going on? Ha! What's going on? What's going on? We got her. Look, we got her. Papa, don't hurt her. Oh, show her the worry. She'll be fine. She doesn't look very happy. Let's put her back. Okay. No, we're the bad guys. We do evil stuff. But Papa, look, the world is not a very nice place. It's rotten. It's unfair. It's horrible. And the only way to get ahead is to be more rotten. Even more rotten. More unfair. And more horrible. Check out a brand new motto. Wait, it's not bright enough. I can't see it. There we go. There we go. Now, do you want to have some real fun? Cut her down? Use those steel claws of your decisive rope? No, Papa. Oh, come on. No. Don't be a baby. Cut that rope. No. Thou shalt obey. Thou shalt follow thy destiny. Thou shalt. Thou mayest. Thou shalt. Thou mayest. Thou shalt. Thou mayest. Thou shalt. Thou mayest. Thou mayest. Thou mayest. Thou mayest. Hey! Wow, sweet. Cool, right? Cat Kid, you save us. Hooray for Cat Kid! New PD, go, go, go. Meanwhile, I've had it with these doggone disasters in doggone studio. I quit. Me too. Me three. But fellas, I'm ruined. How could things get any worse? Grrr! Attack! I'm gonna get that dog-headed cop if it's the last thing I do. Soon the Macaronis begin to organize. Listen up, bubs. We're gonna destroy the city. Oh, look at those cutie pies. We're not cutie pies. We're totally ripped. Check out these pipelines, baby. It's not funny. Get them. Enough. I think we're gonna have to fight these guys, but you can't eat them, Dogman. They're robots. That's right. You guys are outnumbered 30-3. Yeah, they're robots. Correction, 30-6. Who are you guys? I'm personally Bureau of the Purse. This is super thing. Grrr. And I'm Chef. Psst. Don't say your real name. Make us up a superhero name. Oh yeah? I'm Chef Man. Well, just keep it. What? You guys are the dumbest superheroes I've ever seen. First lady, whiskey or cereal about the purse. You're gonna. I'm gonna. You're gonna. I'm gonna. And so, are you okay, boss? Durr, me go, baby, poo poo pee pee. So, does anybody else think I'm a dumb superhero? Yeah! Bye-bye, nice lady. Rats! I can't believe it. Those idiot mecha-weenies just gave up. But I'm not giving up. I got one final plan. How can things get any worse? Aha! If I can only make them bigger, I need a super growth formula. Something with me fairly and not astrology free. Hey, wait a minute. I know where just to go. Canary Grow. Quick! I need a can of Canary Grow. Hey, welcome to Canary Glow. Hi, I need a can of Canary Grow. How may I help you? I need a can of Canary Grow. Well, why didn't you say this in the first place? Can I have your phone number? Why? What for? It's for our computer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's see here. What? Let me think now. Hold on. What comes after 1? Wait, don't tell me. Will you hurry it up? Yeah, this baby looks count. Now I'm gonna start over. 22 minutes later. 10. Now can I buy a can of Canary Grow? Do you have a Canary Grow virus cost? No. Would you like to pay for one? No. Are you sure you can save 100% of your next? No! I don't want a Canary Grow for the virus cost. I don't even care about your special offers. That wasn't even my real phone number. All right. You're not a very nice person. I was just doing my job. All I wanted to do was help you. I tried my best, but yet I have to be so mean. All you had to do was ask nicely. I have feelings. I know. Sorry about the weird voice. I'm sorry. You're right. Oh, that's nice. Okay. May I please have a Canary Grow? Sorry, we're close to the. I'm taking this. Oh yeah? Well, I'm calling 911. Let's see now. And so, finally, I made it out of this hole. Uh-oh. Hey! And now for the final touch. Wait. Yeah. Uh-oh. Here comes trouble. What? Oh, y'all missed. Hang on, lady. I'll get help. Jeez. Hey! Cat Kid, come back here. Hey, HD, you gotta come with me. We need your help. He's just obeying you. I programmed him to do that. He's not really your friend. Obedience and friendships are not the same things. Open up ADHD. Enter main programming mode. These are important words, ADHD. they mean you have to. They don't. You don't have to obey, and there are no permanent order. But now on, you can choose your own path. You don't have to be my friend anymore. You don't have to. Let's go save the world. Well. Look who's back. I captured all your friends while you were gone. Not all of them. Get ready to get your butt kicked by my good friend ADHD. What? Hey ADHD, where you gotta go? This I gotta see. ADHD. No. What happened? Haha. Well, I'll tell you what happened. The amazing cat can replace all of ADHD automatic batteries with solar panels. It's been cloudy all day long, so ADHD couldn't charge up. And now it's nighttime, huh? What's the matter, ADHD? Are you feeling a little run down? Maybe you just need a little kid. Papa, no! No! Yep, I was right. All he needed was a little kick. Oh, quit your belly yakking. He was only a robot. Stop being such a baby. He wasn't even a friend. And besides, friends don't matter anyway. It's all about family. Your blood, your roots, your destiny. But that's what imports. 1 hour later. If you don't stop crying, I'm gonna. We're free! Us too! What happened? Was it a meteor? A comet? An asteroid? ADHD? How'd you do it? How'd you get a power back? Full staple. This is what happened. It's time for a Tim show. Hooray for ADHD! Pooh-wee! Well, PD, it's time to take you to show. Rats! You have to remain fluffy. Hey, kid! Any day your permit says to you. Do you want to have lunch together after I escape tomorrow? Okay. You have the right mouse, a shaped toy with a jiggle ball inside. My hero, you were very brave to help. You were very brave today, Bellamio. Yeah, but I wasn't perfect. I were the figurative. I literally jaywalked. I even stole his costume. I guess I'll never be perfect. And now that you don't have to be perfect, you can be good. Well, good night. Chill, Benino. Let's play again tomorrow. Oh, look, it's the guy. Hey, mister, we took some stuff for your movie studio. So, you ready to give him all back? I don't care about this stuff. I gotta scram before somebody makes you clean up this mess. But what about these customs? Keep them. In fact, take anything you want, kid. Anything? And so, I hope all the stuff inside our house. Yep, it does. You know, if we just had a special place we would work together. I didn't know we had an elevator. I hope all our stuff fits in there. Yep, it does. Did I press the button? Hey, I didn't know our house had a red volume. Wow, it's a room full of balls. This is great. And so the three friends worked and played together until it was time for bed. It's a tale of good. It's a tale of evil. It's a tale of hero. That that was it. Next Dogman book coming soon.